Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting automotive updates. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the 2025 Jaguar GT, a masterpiece of British engineering that redefines speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of high-performance grand tours, then this one's for you. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything you need to know about Jaguar's latest beast. Jaguar has always been synonymous with elegance and performance, and the 2025 Jaguar GT is no exception. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, sourced from BMW, delivering a monstrous 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering seamless shifts and an exhilarating driving experience. Jaguar has also incorporated an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and stability under all conditions. When it comes to acceleration, the 2025 Jaguar GT is nothing short of impressive. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest grand tours on the market. The top speed is electronically limited to 200 miles per hour, giving it the perfect balance of speed and control. With a meticulously tuned adaptive suspension system and aerodynamic enhancements, this Jaguar delivers a dynamic yet comfortable ride that makes it ideal for both track days and long highway cruises. The exterior design of the Jaguar GT is a work of art. It retains the brand's signature styling but with a modern and aggressive twist. The sleek and low-slung profile is complemented by sharp LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power within. Jaguar's engineers have worked extensively on aerodynamics, incorporating active air vents, a lightweight carbon fiber body, and a retractable rear spoiler to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. The side profile is elegant, featuring flowing lines that seamlessly merge into the muscular rear end. The GT sits on massive 21-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires that ensure maximum road grip. The rear is equally stunning, with slim LED taillights, quad exhaust tips, and a diffuser that adds both aesthetic appeal and functional aerodynamics. Available in a variety of exclusive colors, including British Racing Green and Midnight Black, the Jaguar GT is guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and high-tech cabin that combines classic Jaguar elegance with modern innovation. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, real wood, and brushed aluminum accents. The driver-focused cockpit ensures that all controls are within easy reach, offering an intuitive and immersive experience. At the center of the dashboard, a massive 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes pride of place, running Jaguar's latest PIV Pro interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an AI-powered voice assistant that understands natural language commands. Below the screen, a minimalist yet functional climate control system with haptic feedback buttons ensures a clutter-free layout. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying vital performance data, navigation, and media information. Jaguar has also integrated a heads-up display that projects crucial driving information onto the windshield, keeping the driver's focus on the road. Audiophiles will appreciate the premium 3D surround sound system by Meridian, delivering crystal-clear audio quality for an immersive in-car entertainment experience. Jaguar has left no stone unturned when it comes to safety. The 2025 Jaguar GT is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, making it one of the safest high-performance GT cars available. Advanced features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. One of the standout features is Jaguar's semi-autonomous driving mode, which assists the driver in highway cruising by maintaining lane discipline and adjusting speed automatically. The vehicle also comes with a night vision camera, helping detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions. With reinforced carbon fiber safety cells and advanced crash mitigation systems, Jaguar has ensured that safety is a top priority without compromising performance. Behind the wheel, the Jaguar GT feels like an extension of the driver. The electronic power steering provides precise feedback, making cornering a joy even at high speeds. The adaptive suspension adjusts in real time, offering a smooth ride on city streets and a firmer setup for spirited driving. Jaguar has introduced multiple drive modes, including Comfort, Dynamic, and Track. Comfort mode ensures a plush ride for daily driving. Dynamic mode sharpens throttle response and stiffens the suspension for a sportier feel, while Track mode unleashes the GT's full potential, making it a beast on the racetrack. The active exhaust system also changes its tone based on the selected drive mode, offering everything from a subdued purr to an aggressive growl that echoes Jaguar's racing heritage. With all its performance, luxury, and technology, the 2025 Jaguar GT does come at a premium. The base price starts at around $150,000, with higher trims and customization options pushing it beyond the $180,000 mark. This places it in direct competition with the likes of the Aston Martin DB12, Porsche 911 Turbo S, and Bentley Continental GT. While these rivals offer their own unique appeal, the Jaguar GT stands out with its perfect blend of British craftsmanship, raw performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Jaguar GT is a testament to Jaguar's commitment to innovation and performance. It perfectly blends speed, luxury, and modern technology to create a grand tourer that is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. Whether you're a Jaguar enthusiast or simply an admirer of high-performance vehicles, the GT is a car that deserves attention. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Jaguar GT. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exclusive automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Jaguar GT and which car you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.